Ladies and gentlemen, please let me welcome you to the presentation talk of your next cruises. My name is Mario Miletić and I'm your loyalty and cruise sales associate on board of this ship. Today I'm going to talk about two cruises. One of them is in Caribbean, the other one is in the Europe. I'm going to talk about two ships, Independence of the Seas and Allure of the Seas. Now let me first start with the Independence of the Seas and the cruise in the Caribbean, which is 7-day Eastern Caribbean cruises. Starts from the Fort Lauderdale, goes around two beautiful islands, Grand Cayman and Jamaica, ending in Labadee, Haiti. Now, let me talk about the first destination, the Grand Cayman. Grand Cayman, perfect family place. If you have never swum with the dolphins, if you have never saw a dolphin in your life, if you never saw a stingray, if you never kissed a stingray, if you've never been in an airplane or in a helicopter driving around the Grand Cayman, that's a place where you want to be. Second stop is Jamaica. Jamaica, the island of reggae, Bob Marley, the beautiful Dunn River Falls. My biggest advice and the biggest highlight of Jamaica would be the Dunn River Falls. If you have a chance, go with our shore excursions and just visit the Dunn River Falls. It's an amazing spot, unique to Caribbeans, unique to the world. Our last but not least stop in that 7-day cruise in Caribbean is Haiti Labadee. Now, what's there to say about Haiti? Haiti is a place where adrenaline and fun are flowing around like water in the sea. You want to do a zip line, you want to do the jet ski, you want to snorkel, and you want to have the best barbecue on the beach in Caribbean, that's the place. Labadee is the place that can do that for you all in one day. All the fun, all the activities, everything is there for you. Please check with our shore excursions, they can do that all for you. Now, if you ask me, why is this cruise so special? What's so special about it? I would tell you that if you take your family, your kids, your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, everybody in the family, that's a cruise that you're going to have fun on. You're going to have fun, you're going to enjoy it, you're going to have adventures, see the dolphins, swim with the dolphins, stingrays, jet skis, zip lines, everything is there. Once when you're done it, I guarantee you it's going to stick with you forever. Now, let's move on to the European cruise. It's going to be a 5-day cruise in the Western Mediterranean. It's on a beautiful Allure of the Seas. Now, that is one of our most developed ship that has everything. You want to do a zip line when the ship is sailing on the seas, you can do it. You want to have the best cuisine in the world, ship Allure is going to do it for you. You want to do spa all day, you want to have entertainment, you want to just relax in the pool, you want to watch the beautiful shows, Allure of the Sea is the ship that has it all covered. Now, let me tell you about the ports. So we're going to start that cruise from Barcelona, which is one of my favorite cities in Europe, if not even in the world. First stop for that cruise, after one cruise day, we are going to Rome. Rome, the mythical Rome, the eternal city. All the roads and all the cruises go to Rome. This is definitely the biggest highlight of this cruise. It's a place where you're going to refill your batteries. When you see the sights in Rome, when you see the culture, the history, it's going to stick with you forever. You're going to talk about it to your sons, grandsons. They're going to talk about it all the time. Rome, when you see it, none of these cities that you've seen before in Europe or worldwide, they're not going to look the same. Now, if you fancy a visit to Vatican, our shore excursion is going to do that for you. Say hello to Pope for me. Our second and last stop, but not the least, is the Naples. Naples is the place with the biggest historical city center in Europe. And Naples is the birthplace of pizza. Now, if just history is not enough for you, once when you're done with the tours in the Naples, if you visit it, go and try the original Italian pizza in Naples. And trust me, they are that good. Now, if some of you ask me, why would I choose this cruise? Why would you need to visit the Rome and the Naples? Why would you go on this Western Mediterranean cruise? I would tell you that this is a history 101. Every city you saw before Rome, as I said, won't be the same after you see the Rome. Combine that with the world's best pizza, the place that invented pizza, add a pinch of a ship that has everything you ever needed. And my ladies and gentlemen, that's a recipe for the best cruise on the best cruise line. Now let me just pause here for a bit and introduce you to our loyalty and Crown and Anchor program. Now, if you haven't enrolled in one, I strongly advise you to do it. It's really easy, it's really simple. You just fill out the brochure. What does this program offers you? It's basically you're earning as you're sailing with us. You can earn up to $400 onboard credit. You can have special prices for the suites. you can have priority check-in, and many, many more. Now, if you add to that our own special Visa card program and earn your cruise points while you are spending your money, while you are doing your everyday thing, well, you can say that then we are always with you at any time of the day. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. You've been a great audience. It's been my pleasure for you to do this. Thank you very much and have a great day.